Good morning, students. Today we start our last chapter, natural disasters. Okay, in this chapter we will learn about the different destructive phenomena that is done by a nature as well as it is causes by a human activities. Okay, so in this chapter we learn about what are natural disasters. Second one is causes and effect of some common natural disasters. Okay. So first of all, what is the meaning of natural disasters? So disasters are the many changes that occur in nature from time to time. So these changes may be in the form of rains, storms, earthquake or volcanic eruptions. Means disasters are the changes that is occur in nature time to time. Okay, and it causes a lot of loss, loss of life and great damage. Okay, so after that, now we discuss about this picture. So you have to observe these pictures and tell the different types of different type of disasters. Okay, so first of all is cyclone. Second one is whenever there is a lot of water, then it causes a flood. Whenever there is a scarcity of water, then it causes a drought. After that, there is a breakage of earth. Okay, so it is done with the by the process of earthquake. Next one is volcano. Okay, now firstly we started with the disasters. So what is a disaster? Disaster is a sudden accident, okay, that is done by a nature or a man-made also, okay, and it causes a great damage and loss of life. But disaster is occur with the help of a nature as well as human activities. Okay, next one is disaster can occur suddenly. It cannot give you a alarm. Okay, सो मीन्स जो डिज़ास्टर है वो कभी भी आ सकता है, ठीक है, जो डिज़ास्टर एक्टिविटीज़ हैं वो आपको कभी भी बताकर नहीं आएंगी, ठीक है, मीन्स इट इज़ अ सडनली अकरिंग फिनोमेना. नेक्स्ट वन इज़ व्हाट आर नेचुरल डिज़ास्टर्स. So natural disasters are extreme forces of nature that result in death and destructive of life. Means ये nature की extreme और strong forces होती हैं जिनका जो result क्या होता है, death of human living beings, okay, and a destruction of lives of people and property. Okay, some of the natural disasters are cyclone, flood, drought, forest fire, landslide, tsunami, earthquake and volcano. So these are the disasters that we discuss in this chapter. So firstly we will talk about a flood. So when a flood is occurring, when a water level is rises in the water bodies, for example in rivers, oceans, okay, so the water level increases due to the melting of snow also, okay, so it causes a flood. Means when water level in a water body or any area rises above normal, it leads to a condition called flood. Okay, or flood is also occur when there is a large amount of uncontrolled rain or excessive melting of snow can cause. Okay, next one is whenever there is a lot of cutting of trees. So the main function of tree is to hold the soil, okay, and absorb the water. But whenever there is a loss of forest, okay, or loss of trees, so there is less absorption of water, okay, and less capability of holding a soil, so that a soil can remove from a large amount of soil remove from one place to another place, okay, and that process is also known as a soil erosion. Next one is this results in excessive water collection causing floods. Flood water often kills several peoples and animals. Many waterborne diseases can spread in time of flood. Waterborne diseases means some of the bacteria are born inside the dirty water. Okay, for example, malaria, dengue. So these are the waterborne diseases. Next one is tsunami. Tsunami is a Japanese word which means harbor waves. Harbor means बहुत बड़ी waves, okay, or dangerous waves that is occur by the process of earthquake in the oceans. Okay, tsunami are sudden, unexpected, and very large ocean waves that can cause sudden movement of water, or it can occur due to the undersea earthquakes. Okay, as we remember that in India in 2004 there was a major tsunami in Indian Ocean which is considered one of the deadliest nature disaster in history. Means when तब क्या हुआ था, बहुत सारे पहले तो जो आपकी बिल्डिंग्स हैं, मीन्स आपका जो ह्यूमंस का जितना भी स्ट्रक्चर होता है वो सब डैमेज हो गया था. ओके, एंड देयर इज़ अ लॉट ऑफ लॉस ऑफ ह्यूमन लाइफ्स ऑल्सो. ओके, नेक्स्ट वन इज अर्थक्वेक. So what is a earthquake? When a sudden shakes in the plates of the earthquake that is present inside the earth. Okay, that is known as a tectonic plates. Means whenever there is a vibration in the tectonic plates, it causes a earthquakes. Okay, earthquakes are caused when the rocks break suddenly. More and more earthquakes happens due to the human development and constructional activities. Earthquake causes a lot of destruction to buildings and construction, and several lives get lost under the debris. Debris means जब वो कोई भी बिल्डिंग है वो गिर जाती है, ठीक है, तो जो उसका मलबा होता है तो उसके नीचे जो आकर तो कितनी सारी जो ह्यूमन लाइफ्स है वो डेड हो जाती हैं. ठीक है. So next one is volcanic eruption. So what is a volcanic eruption? Volcano is an opening in the earth crust. As we know that, as we discuss that there is a 3 layers of earth. Okay, first is mantle, core, mantle, and crust. Okay, crust is the most crust is the most hot part of the earth in which a molten iron or a molten state of irons are present. Okay, so when there is a eruption क्या होती है, जब ज्वालामुखी फटती है तो उसमें से जो जितना भी जो मॉल्टन लावा होता है, ठीक है, वो क्या हो जाता है, बाहर आ जाता है. ठीक है, तो वो जो लावा है एक तो बहुत सारा पोल्यूशन क्रिएट करता है. ठीक है, और जो उसमें से जब वो ठंडा होता है तो उसमें से जो राख निकलती है तो वो भी क्या है, मीन्स ह्यूमंस को डिस्टर्ब करती है. ठीक है. So due to excessive heat and chemicals released during a volcanic eruption, a lot of mass destruction take place. People living even far away from the volcanoes get affected by the heat and ash that comes out. Okay. So next one, you have to solve the time please by their own. Next one is landslides. Landslides means मिट्टी का खिसकना. ठीक है. So when a landslide is occur, the movement of rocks, debris or earth down a slope is called landslide. Some human activities like urbanization, when we done urbanization, there is a cutting of lot of trees. Okay, so as we discussed that trees plays a main role to holding the soil tightly. Okay, and it absorb the water that is present in our surroundings that are in a excess amount. So when we cut a lot of trees, the soil get loosened. Okay, and it can flow from one place to another place. Okay, so the mountains are in a sloping structure, so the soil can move from one place to another place. Okay, human activities like urbanization and deforestation can weaken a mountain and start a landslide. Landslide can result in either a single rock fall or even toppling down a whole hill or mountain. लैंडस्लाइड में एक सिंगल रॉक है जो वो भी स्लाइड हो सकता है, लेकिन पूरी की पूरी जो माउंटेन है, ठीक है, वो भी स्लाइड हो सकती है. So next one is cyclones. So cyclone is the activities that is occur at the shore of the oceans. Okay, मीन्स जो ओशन के किनारे किनारे पे जो स्टेट्स होती हैं, ठीक है, बिल्डिंग्स, होम्स होते हैं, तो वो ज़्यादा इफ़ेक्ट करते हैं. ठीक है, बिकॉज जो ओशंस होते हैं वो क्या होती हैं, विंड्स होती हैं, बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग विंड्स होती हैं जो कहाँ से आती हैं, ओशियन से. A cyclone is a kind of storm that spins rapidly over the ocean near the tropics. Due to destructive human activities, cyclone has become a very regular phenomenon. Okay, in nowadays there is one cyclone come in Odisha, West Bengal, and it makes a lot of destruction and loss of lives. That the name of that cyclone is Aflatu. Okay, so next and last one, the natural disaster is forest fire. The burning of forest like a wildfire is called as a forest fire. Forest fire occur in many places around the world where there is plenty of wood, dried leaves and forest cover that can burn themselves due to the excessive heat of the sun. So one example of forest fire is also that we have listened that जब ऑस्ट्रेलिया के जंगलों में आग लगी थी क्या, ठीक है, अमेजोन फॉरेस्ट. सो अमेजोन फॉरेस्ट इज़ द most important forest from which we get 70% of the raw material to use in our daily life. Okay, because it supplies us 70% of the material to the whole world. Means वो इतना बड़ा जंगल था, लेकिन जब उसमें फॉरेस्ट फायर हुई तो ऑलमोस्ट वो 50% जो जंगल है वो ख़त्म हो गया. ठीक है, जिसमें बहुत सारे कंगारूज रहते थे, बहुत सारे एनिमल्स थे, तो बियर्स थे, तो उनकी क्या जो लाइफ है वो उससे भी क्या होता है, जो स्पीशीज़ हैं वो ख़त्म होने लग जाती हैं. दैट इज़ ऑल्सो जो उसकी डिसएडवांटेज है, ठीक है, फॉरेस्ट फायर की. सो दिस इज़ ऑल अबाउट द ह्यूमन एक्टिविटीज़ दैट कॉजेज अ natural disasters. Okay, so I hope you will understand this chapter. We will read about the what is a natural disaster: flood, tsunami, earthquake, volcano, landslide, cyclone, forest. Okay, after that we have to read out the words. No, first of all, disaster is a sudden accident that is occur by the different phenomena of nature and man-made, and it causes a lot of loss of life. Next one is flood, tsunami, earthquake, forest fire. Okay, now for our live class session you have to find out the filling the blanks and rewrite the sentence correctly. Then after solving this, teacher asks some questions from it. Okay, so prepare it by their own. If you have any doubt, then we will discuss that fill in the blanks or any question in the live session. Okay, so I hope you will understand this chapter. Thank you. Have a nice day.